So click to start, then click on setting, network and Bluetooth, then touchpad. Just click on it. You can see just turn on and off. If you can see not accessible any mouse, so you can connect the external mouse to your laptop, and after that you can access. You can just see if it is off, so your laptop keypad, laptop mouse is not working on board touchpad. Okay, so you have to just on. Okay, and this is a setting, so you have to fast and slow, then close it, then again click to start and type device manager, open. You can see some extract. After that, the mice and other pointing device, just extract it, select the mouse, just right click and update, close it, then select the this one and update. And also you can see the touchpad driver, touchpad, you just extract and update it. Okay, then close it. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to download ASUS TUF Gaming F16 laptop driver. So first you have to see this, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that. Okay, model number, and first just click on this official website. Then you can see click on support, then select the model number any, because all the model number driver download and installations process same. Click on driver and tool, only one operating system showing here. This is all driver, and this is one click to driver download. You can also use this. Okay, you just install and next to install. After that, scan your required driver and it will show, and then you just click to install. Okay, if you need to separate, so you can this, and slow down. You can see this is a touchpad driver pointing device, and click to download. So it is completed, then it will show here only this is the 5 MB, and then click on yes, select languages. If you want to change just again, then next, select the install agreement, next, install. You can extract also, but you install directly. Next, again click to next, install. Now you can see it is completed. After that, you just restart your system.